once again picking the cucumbers. I think this was the third time this week that I picked them. For the pigs, for us. I'd forgot that I hadn't picked these cucumbers, so I had to go back. The sapphire sky chickens have started to lay. I looked back in my farm record and I bought them as day-old chicks from Tractor Supply on March 29th, and they laid their first egg on July 27th. So right around 4 months they started to lay. Now that Billy Ray is back in the buck pen, I can let the big girl doelings back out with the girls. The first thing they did was run down to the tire playground. Jelly Beans babies, they love it too. I'm picking these green beans one last time. This will be the third time for the Blue Lake and the 6th time for the Roma 2s. In an earlier video, I said that I had 4 rows of the Roma 2s, but I only have 3 rows of the Roma 2 and 1 row of the Blue Lake. And I'm still not impressed with the Blue Lake. I barely got enough to cover the bottom of the basket off that 1 row. On the 3rd picking, I would have expected to get half a basket full. And this is how many I got off the Roma 2s. 3 short rows, the 6th picking. You can't beat them.
These girls have just decided that they're not going to live with the other chickens. So they like to be out here.
Please like and subscribe.